Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video, remember how I told y'all I was using an oil? I was using an oil which I normally do not use in my hair regimen unless I'm doing the LCO method, but I decided to try just putting an oil on before my actual styler. So we're gonna do that in this video and I'm gonna show y'all the results that I got. But first things first, okay, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
All my old time subbies, okay, the congregation, the rain gang, happy curl gang. Still ain't picked one yet, y'all. Thank y'all so much for clicking on this video as well. So let's just go ahead and jump into it, okay? So I did wash my hair, I did deep condition my hair, and I put on a leave-in. Can y'all believe it? Yes, amen. I chose one of my favorites. Y'all know it's in my favorites video. Check my playlist. This is the Bioterra Leave-In Silky Milk, which I believe that I received in my Sally's Beauty box. I love this stuff. Y'all already know, so I'm not gonna go into it or whatever. So let me tell y'all why I chose to use an oil. I don't have a reason.
No, let me tell you something.
I just was like, let me just see how my hair is gonna do if I do an oil and then my styler. Cause y'all know, I'm just not a big oil person. I'm not a big serum person. Like, I'll apply it here and there. But as I've been really consistent in my regimen, and I just don't think my hair just really needs oils or just thrives off of oils. Yeah, but anyway, now I did use Eco Styler and it worked, so then I'm more than likely sure that using my boo is gonna be fire. Hopefully. Don't jinx it, right? Now this is pure hemp seed oil and it's their hair reliever. They have several different ones. I don't have them in front of me, so I don't remember. I know one is like hair revitalizer. This is the reliever. I just chose it randomly. I like the smell. I said, okay, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so just to state some facts, because I didn't know this, I just looked it up real quick. Hemp oil is really good for hair growth, stimulating hair growth. What? 90% keratin, but yes, it's mainly used to stimulate hair growth. Girl, it also helps to enhance the growth of hair on the scalp in a number of ways. It has omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, which are necessary in stimulating hair growth. Yeah, let's just, we talking too much.
Okay.
So if you're new here, we like two section over here, okay? My hair is pretty wet, but I'm gonna go ahead and wet it some more. And I usually use my dimming brush, y'all know how I do, but I can't find it. I'm gonna use my 3-row finger comb. I did mention this comb in a previous video, which I will leave up above. I did use a leave-in, and now we're going to use an oil. It's a very light oil, like a dime size amount. As you can see, it's a very light oil. I'm ashy, ooh. And it smells just very fresh. Love the smell. So I'm just coating the hair with the oil in hopes that it does, seal in the leave-in that I used and all of the moisture and getting some of the benefits of my hair because it is on clean hair. Okay, so it's not done after a styler. So that was like kind of like my hope, plea, and prayer and month. So we're taking the WETLINE, and y'all know the drill. I know y'all just want to see the end result, but just want to show you guys really quick and then I'll speed it up. So the application process for my hair, I can only speak for my hair, is about the same. It doesn't feel any different. Now when I've used other oils, like thicker oils, like olive oil, my hair hates coconut oil, so not coconut oil, you can feel such a difference. But with this, and I really do believe it's this oil in particular. Like, I really believe my hair just really likes hemp oil. What I think helps is having a styler that is your best friend, is gonna have your back, because oils can be trifling on people's hairs. You know what I'm saying? My hair feels excellent. All my Latin subscribers, followers, you feel what I'm saying. It feels really, really good. And the shine. Y'all know I've been really into the feel goods of hair. As long as my hair is feeling moisturized, that's what I'm looking for. Y'all know I'm like a huge fan of the Jamaican mango and lime oils. They're one of my favorite oils. This particular video is not sponsored. So again, I'm just taking about 2 dime-size amounts, okay, and really getting my hair and trying to lock in that moisture at the pads of my fingers and just rub it in there, since now we know that, you know, hemp oil is good for, you know, for hair growth and whatnot or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and just get all the benefits, ain't it? Oh, my hair, it should not feel this good. Like,
you, baby, I want you, baby, really, 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 really want you, baby, I want you, baby, you, baby, I want you, baby, really wanted to say, you already know that I want you, and you want me, but this ain't right, you know I know that love ain't fair, and it takes time.
If you do choose to use this method, if you haven't already, because I know this is nothing new, okay, but if you choose to use an oil before your styler, the oil kind of acts as like a barrier against the styling product. That's what I've noticed for my hair and my daughter's hair. I always try to use an oil on every part of my daughter's hair before I apply a styler, especially if I'm going to use an eco styler. I don't really use WETLINE on her hair. She has very fine hair. In my mind, I feel like putting an oil on before I apply her styler is kind of like protecting her hair in a sense. I don't know how true that is, but that's just how it works in my mind. Yeah, so yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Since you walked in my life, you caught my eye, trying to find out if this is real, if this is real. You gon' let me get down on it, love it when you spend time on it. Got me thinking that I need to slow down, no worries at all, cause I'ma make you wanna come back to it, show you how a man do it. You think I only want you for your honey, yeah, that's funny, that's why I came back to this. You gon' have to do more than just, you gon' have to do less when you already know I always want you to. You gon' have to do more than just, you gon' have to do less when you.
Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking, okay? Obviously, it's very flat, like I have not picked it out, so it doesn't really have like a shape to it right now. And if you use some more oil, it's just like oil central over here. You like, there's nothing that you have to do. It's just what I'm doing, just to make that clear. And so because I'm getting ready to pick my hair, I want less, you know, friction. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick my hair. It's where I pick it in sections. I'm able just to kind of control what I want a little bit more by doing that. Like, I don't mind if this part gets frizzy, the volume that I want, but it's not, you know, bad frizz, y'all. Just, you know, I'm creating frizz. I have a super old video on how to pick your hair so that you don't get a lot of frizz. So I'm kind of doing that in a sense right now. It's a super old video. Oh, yes, control. Okay, y'all. So as we know, first day hair is flat, okay. But here's the deal, and I can't believe I'm really getting ready to say this. My hair felt better with I don't feel like it. No, it feels weird coming out of my mouth. My hair felt better with My hair felt better with Eco Styler. It felt better with Eco Styler. So it could be a number of things. For the Eco, I did not use a leave-in. And for this one, I used one of my favorite leave-ins that I've used before with WETLINE XTREME, no problem. My hair, you would think, would feel more moisturized because it's different, you know, products. You see what I'm saying? But no, this is crunchier. It's not as soft, but you know, it still feels really good. The Eco, the Eco Styler felt better. And the only reason I didn't use Eco Styler is I don't have enough to do a whole head and I wasn't able to go out and get some. Would I use oil and WETLINE again? Absolutely. I might switch up my leave-ins, or I may just use it by itself like I did with my Eco. Would I use this oil and Eco again? Hell yeah. Okay, excuse me, Jesus. Hell yes, I would. It was wonderful, and I wish I would have filmed it, but hey y'all, so this is the next day. So it's like a drastic difference. I did pick my hair out at the ends because I like to get a fuller look, a fuller effect. And when my hair is crunchy, I can do that and not get much frizz. My hair, but yeah, so using an oil before my styler, especially this one in particular, which again is the hemp oil, has done my hair quite well. I'm just sharing this because I said I was going to share it in a previous video. So yeah, let me know if you guys have ever used an oil before your styler. Obviously we use oils in the LOC method or LCO method, you know, but not everybody is a fan of oils. I'm really not a fan of oils, but for some reason, you know, I just, listen, this is where we are right now in month. And yeah, I really love second day results, and I pineappled at night. My hair has no crunch to it and it feels very, very soft. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. I love y'all.